Good morning, it's Saturday. Yeah. It's a beautiful morning. It's 13 degrees Celsius. Clear skies, sunny. Good day to work on the boat. S is on his way here now. He messaged. I don't actually have any breakfast. I really hope Essa brings something. Now this is a dirty boat. All the sea scum still on here. And anyway, a lot of this is just paint that's come off. Good morning, what's up?
I come with gifts.
Ooh! Croissants. I love you.
Also. He's very handsome.
Nice. You want some coffee?
I got my own.
Ah, okay. Alright, give it a go. No, not at me.
No, it's down. I need to turn on the water.
Oh yeah, of course. Supplies. Supplies. All right, let's go. More stuff. All right, this is probably the most ugliest canopy ever, but we've finished it. I put eyelets in this tarp here so that we could go all the way around, but at least it will stay dry. Then we got to do some fiberglass work around the edges. Engine is probably good. We haven't tried to start that yet, but let's see. All right, these guys we just met, and they own this sailboat here, which is like massive. And this is their first boat, and they just informed that they were stuck in a storm and actually Googled how to sail. And that's the best thing I've ever heard. That is so awesome. But I think we're gonna be good friends because we're gonna be here a lot together. All right, heading home now. Eating lunch on the way. It's amazing, there's like so many people here. I really love this vibe. People are like just out in the sun and fixing their boats, and I'm actually more encouraged when I see boats that are crappier than ours. Maybe there's hope that our boat won't sink this summer. I'm sure Bob will have something to say about that. Baby,